I get a lot of questions from people about whether it's okay to regift. Well, yes and no under certain circumstances. Say you get a set of towels from someone who's not a close friend or relative, and you just don't like them, or they're not the right color. But you have a friend who would love these towels, and the color would be perfect for her bathroom. Well, give it to her, but not as a holiday or birthday gift. Just out of the blue, say, hey, I got this as a gift from so and so, but I was thinking that it would be great for you. It doesn't really match my decor. And she will really appreciate it. It's out of the blue, it's a thoughtful gesture, and who knows, if she gets a gift she can't use, she might give it to you. But the point is to be honest. Now, what you never ever want to do is regift something that is personal, something that is either handmade or a piece of jewelry from a close friend or relative, a present that comes from the heart. What you want to do is you don't want to return it, you don't want to regift it, but what you should do is wear it the next time you see that person. It's so important. Now, what you can regift are gift cards. They're often exchanged or traded, and often it's not from a close family member or a friend. So it really depends on the circumstances. And the bottom line is be honest.